Alright, so it's been a while. I am out at the woods today, and I got the 42-year-old wood splitter going. So this is all oak in here. There is two little small pine pieces that I threw in that were mixed in, but split that all this morning here. It's starting to snow finally. So I haven't been out here in a long time, and there's a lot of stuff here I gotta work on. So hopefully this coming summer I can get a little bit more work done and hopefully get some sort of structure out here, maybe a garage I could use the storage. But the wood I've been chopping here, and if you didn't catch that, I'm the 42-year-old wood splitter. That's why I have an axe here. I've been just kind of tearing into this pile here. So the stuff on the end here, there's some pine. That one might be an oak. I didn't attempt that. Some of the pieces split apart pretty nice. Some of them are not very agreeable, much like my wife. That piece there is not agreeing at all, so I just kind of moved on. But I got a pretty good dent. I mean, this was same height all the way across here, so. And I was surprised. I thought some of this stuff looked like it may have been too far gone, but it's actually pretty dry and it's not too punky, so. I'm not going to get this all in the truck though. I think I'm probably as far as I can go because I got the generator and the chainsaw in there, so. But yeah, I'm getting it. So this is where I think I'm going to put it. Still got some stuff to take down, but it's definitely opened up quite a bit more than what it was. You can actually see the road now. And it's not bad weather today either for doing some splitting by hand. It's 25 degrees, so you don't get too sweaty doing it. So my plan was to do some splitting and then maybe drop a few here, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. I think that might be just a little bit too much to take on for today. Alright, so that's going to be it for now. The snow has really ramped up here. I thought it was going to be later in the day yet, but not too bad. Those coil springs hang in there pretty well. I thought we'd have a little bit more squat in the back there. So, but it definitely is accumulating quickly. So, I know they said for our area 2 to 5, which would be the largest snow we've had yet this year. So pretty productive day overall. Didn't get to do too much camera work here. I was kind of busy working, but hopefully that picks up and we get a little bit more progress here than what we have been in the past. So all right, that's gonna be it for now.